Commercial and domestic gas design is made simple with H2x.
And designs that used to take hours can now be done in minutes.
Gas design starts off in the settings, where we can choose the default sizing methods and materials for our pipe system.
And all measurements are both available in imperial and metric.
Designing gas systems in H2x is as simple as selecting and placing a wide range of equipment, all of which has fully customizable settings. Then choose from, or create your own, a wide range of gas appliances, all of which once again have fully customizable settings. From here, use the Pipes and Multiple Pipes tools to draw polyline pipe systems that link everything together. And finally, augment your system with an additional range of gas-specific valves and equipment. Then when your design is complete, with just the click of a single button, H2x automatically sizes and calculates your entire system.
Zooming in on our pipes, we can see H2x has instantly undertaken some pretty complicated calculations.
And right along our piping, we can see the peak flow rate and the velocity. And looking at our appliances, we can see the gas demand. Through H2x, you can directly export your designs into both AutoCAD and Revit. And in terms of documentation, export your plans into fully customizable PDF drawing sets, a full system design report that compiles every calculation in your system, and a bill of materials that compiles all costs into an easy-to-read, easy-to-reference spreadsheet.
If you'd like to optimize your workflow with H2x, head to our website and book a one-to-one free demonstration with one of our specialists, and sign up for a free trial. But if H2x isn't just for you, we also offer large-scale implementation plans for entire teams of designers.